Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Now, this one is going to be in the customer service. If you don't want customer service, please always feel free to leave down in the comments below anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. I do try to mix up the videos and have a little bit of mix of everything on this channel, but today's job lead is from the company Dish Network. They are hiring a remote senior customer service representative. Now, this is remote within the United States only. Best part about this is they are going to provide all the computer equipment you need to get started. So this is going to be perfect for those of you who want to work from home but don't have a home office or don't have computer equipment set up. They are looking for someone to be the voice of their company and customers. You'll create a best-in-class experience for the Boost Infinite customers via voice chat and email. You'll own the customer relationship all the way through activation of their services by overcoming any challenges and obstacles that they may have. You'll be the first point of contact for customers, be a brand ambassador for the Boost Infinite, and create a lasting impression. You'll also be making sure the customers are aware of all the products and services that Dish Network offers. You'll also maybe assist them with questions they have regarding their billing, activating devices, setting them up, product features, troubleshooting any technical issues they are having. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just a high school diploma or GED, someone who has an awesome attitude and a desire to work in a team environment. Now, above that, they say their ideal candidates will have at least 1 year of some kind of customer service experience. They do prefer somebody who has experience in the wireless industry, someone who is willing to work flexible schedules, and someone who can multitask and, of course, have great communication skills. Now, as far as benefits go, they offer the standard medical, dental, vision, paid time off, 401k. They also give you a free Dish Network benefit package, and it says until their rewards program is established, they're offering a $150 a month bonus right now. They do require you to have your own internet, but all other equipment that you need to do your job is provided to you. And of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location. They have pay listed by state. It ranges between $20 and $21 an hour, but it is $20 an hour in most states. Some of them are like $20.87. Some go up to $22 an hour. You'll just have to find your state and find out what your pay rate is, but nothing is lower than $20 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave in the comments again anything specific that you're looking for. If you found any of the job leads that I share helpful, give this video a thumbs up, like button. I hope you all have a fabulous weekend, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.